installing a rear M.2 drive cage and backplane. Place the backplane on the cage and slide it as shown to engage it. Fasten the screw to secure it to the cage. Connect all the cables to the M.2 backplane. Install the M.2 drive cage into the PCA riser cage. Secure the drive cage with 2 screws. Reinstall the PCIe riser 3. Reinstall the crossbar. If necessary, reinstall the front air baffle. Reinstall the rear top cover. Reinstall the front top cover. Reinstall the drives and any fillers into the drive bays.